Hi everyone, once again I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can log in into your Golden1 Credit Union bank account. So the procedure to log in is pretty simple. All you have to do is make sure to follow the step as guided. So before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, right on top there's a search box, so then type in the link that is www.golden1.com. As you type in the link, on the other page, you will land inside the profile page or the official site. So the interface looks something like this. So on the same page, right on top, you can see there is a login page. So over here, you'll have to provide a user ID. So make sure to enter your correct user ID. Once you're done entering your user ID, tap on password. And make sure to enter the correct password that is associated with the Golden1 Credit Union bank account. After you're done, tap on sign on. As soon as you tap on sign on the other page, you will successfully land inside your online banking account of Golden1 Credit Union bank account. So that is how you can log in into your Golden1 Credit Union bank account in an easy way. So that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.